How to use ClickUp, ClickUp complete review. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can use ClickUp as a complete beginner. So firstly, when you guys download ClickUp, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna see. So you guys won't have any boards or anything. All that you guys will have will be this particular page. So over here, you guys can see all of the work that you guys are doing. Then up top, you guys can see what are your trending tasks. And then on the right side, you guys have the calendar. So in this calendar, you guys can basically put in whatever you want to put in. So for example, if you want to do something on a particular day, on a particular time, you guys can just simply type in over here, submit voiceovers, or whatever the task might be. You guys can just simply put that in over here. And then after that, you guys will be able to, of course, save that on your calendar, and you guys can manage your calendar over here as well. Then over here, you guys can see all your comments. So when you guys create a board, well, then after that, you guys will be able to see all of your to-dos, your comments, and everything over here. So to create a board, simply click on the top right where it says file. So to create a board, simply click on spaces and then click on new space. And then now it's going to ask you to put in a space name. So I'm going to put in a test name. And then after that, you guys can choose the colors and the avatar. Then you guys can choose where you want to create this particular space. So you guys can create it either a private space, or you guys can create it in another workspace that is already existing. So I'm going to create a private workspace. After that, choose the type of template that you want to do. So you guys can do Kanban, done, content, scrum, normal. So I'm going to go with normal. And then after that, you guys can add in statuses as well, similar to how you do it on Trello. And then after that, click on next. Then you guys can add various different applications in ClickUp. All of these come by default. Then click on next. Then after that, you guys can choose the views that you guys need. You guys can have a calendar, you guys can have activity, you guys can have a Gantt view, you guys can even have a timeline view as well. And then after that, you guys can simply click on create space, and your space is gonna be created. So as soon as your space is made, you guys can see your space over here. So if you guys were to click on board from the top, you guys can view it in a board view, and you guys can add a status. You guys can also add a task over here as well. For example, create voiceovers. So guys, this is a free version of ClickUp. There are also paid versions out there, but the free version is amazing as well. So guys, this was a review of ClickUp, and I'm sure that this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.